In case you guys missed the community post, there are two companies in my portfolio that did announce dividend raises. So McDonald's ends up declaring $1.38 per share quarterly, which is a 7% increase from the prior $1.29. And as well, they will be doing their share repurchase program again, so that is pretty sweet, guys. And then we do have one more. The next one here, guys, and the last is Lockheed Martin, which Lockheed Martin declared $2.80 per share quarterly, which is a 7.7% increase from the prior dividend of $2.60. As well, they will be doing a $5 billion buyback, so that is pretty sweet. We have these two awesome companies that we will continue to grow our positions in. Let me know in the comment section if you guys own any of these two companies. I'll be happy to see who owns all of them. What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei to bring you episode 102 of the portfolio update. So as you'll see, the portfolio is actually down. We're at $189,599.68. You'll see our cash balance is $59.99. So these are all from dividends, so they will be reinvested on Monday morning when the market opens, and that is gonna basically allow us to grow that snowball much larger. As you guys saw, the dividend raises that we did get this past week, so we're gonna continue to grow this quarterly dividends and continue to grow and grow up. As you'll see, we're getting very close to the end of September, so we're gonna finally wrap up Q3 of 2021, and then we're gonna start off strong with Q4 of 2021, because all these dividends from Q3 are getting reinvested, so they should start helping out with the Q4, and that is something that I really like about dividend growth investing. All dividend raises as well as these dividends continue to pour in no matter what the market is doing. The other thing is that I'm hoping that after this video and we kick off all the scripts, which I do have them all available for free, check them out, we should get out to at least $2,800 for annual dividends. So I'm hoping to break that in this update, so definitely stick till the very end so we can see how much we make. Just a quick note here on annual dividends. As you'll see that 2019 we made about $779.62 in dividends, and then 2020 we just blew past that of $2,304.44, and then 2021 you'll see that we're still in Q3 of the year and we already surpassed 2019's annualized dividends. So annualized meaning all 12 months from just investing in dividends. This is pretty sweet. I hope we continue to grow this, and you know, it's just awesome coming back every single week, seeing all this income continue to get reinvested, and then we continue to grow that snowball as well. The value in the portfolio continues to grow. Like if we look at the value over time, and ever since we've been investing, obviously the cutoff date is the 20th of November of 2019, because I had to like reset the the charting from M1, but I've been investing since 2019 of January. But you'll see this trend is just going upwards, and if we look at the 1 quarter, you'll see that we've been kind of fluctuating up and down. This past week we actually went down to almost $184,000. So the portfolio did go down, but remember that our dividends are continuing to go up. As you'll see once we kick off those scripts, no matter what the market is doing, you know, we were up here at around like 193. It doesn't matter the value of the portfolio. What we care about is seeing these values going up, because at the end of the day, once we're ready to retire, we're going to be living off of this. We don't want to share, we don't want to try to sell any of our positions. We just want to be living off of the dividends that keep pouring in from our shares. So that is our goal for once we reach FIRE, and I think we will be able to do it, guys. So anyways, I did actually sell out of one position. As you'll see here in the sub pies, there is no more Tesla, guys. So I did end up selling my position. I had about 1 share of Tesla. I did make about $160 in profit, so I bought it right around $190 something when it went down, and I sold it around $760 or so, or $750. But I did sell out of it, and the reason is because I am trying to increase my position in Lockheed Martin. So we have about 25 shares, almost 26 shares in Lockheed Martin. Average cost is about $362. You'll see the Lockheed Martin's actually went up. It wasn't like 338, 339, and then it went up after the dividend raise, and the once they did they announced the repurchase of 5 billion shares, and so it's trading around 349. So I'm hoping to build this position much higher, and I'm going to continue to do that because the dividend yield is pretty awesome starting off. It's around 3.2, well, I guess 3.7, not 3.7, but 3.20. So as you'll see here, there are news. Lockheed Martin announces additional 5 billion share repurchase, and then the Lockheed Martin dividend raise of almost 8%, guys. This is why dividend investing is amazing. So if we look at the dividend summary real quick, you'll see 3.20% dividend yield. This is if you were to purchase the stock at this current time. So if you were able to buy some shares when it dipped to like 330s this past week, your dividend yield would have been much higher. Annualized, they pay about $11.20 per share, which is pretty awesome, guys. I think we're going to continue to build this position, and I think we're going to see it as well. If I show you guys the activities, you'll see the dividend from Lockheed Martin, which on the fourth quarter will be a lot higher, and I'm really excited about that. So if we look on just for this week, you'll see here. So on the 20th, guys, we ended up doing one buy of $3.71, and that was Waste Management. We just did a drip on Waste Management, continue to reinvest its dividends, and then we actually got a dividend on the 21st of United Health Group of $5.70. So we're gonna basically reinvest those, and then 2 people signed up with my referral link, so they actually got $30 and I got $30. So if you guys are interested in signing up with M1, be sure to use my referral link. You'll help me out, and you'll get free money for using my referral link. So it's I'm really grateful for that. So if you guys are interested in that, be sure to check it out. I have the link to it in the video description. The next one here is on the 22nd of September. We did 2 buys, and then this was actually the referrals and the dividend from United Health Group. So I just did a drip here, and the $60 from the 2 people that signed up with my referral link. I bought some more Lockheed Martin, guys. It was around $340. I didn't get the exact lowest price, but we're buying this for the long term. So a couple of dollars is not going to make a huge difference for us. We care about that dividend income. So on the 23rd, Nvidia paid us a dividend of $4.76, and as you guys see, we are getting quite a bit of dividends, and can't wait to see how much we made for this week. We had to do absolutely nothing. It's passive income, guys. It's at its best. On the 23rd, we deposited $200, and can you guys guess it? Because here on the 23rd, we did 2 buys and 1 sell, and we did 2 buys of $959.31 and 1 sell of $759.31, and that was, we sold out of Tesla. We made about $759.31, and then I bought ABBV, so $98.90, and Lockheed Martin $860.41. So my go-to stocks right now are ABBV and Lockheed Martin. Let's see how much we bought of Lockheed Martin. Almost 2.5 shares of Lockheed Martin at a price of $343. That can't get better, you know. And the other one I want to show you is ABBV here. So we almost bought 1 full share of ABBV with this at a share price of $107. So that one was pretty sweet. I can't complain with those buys, and you're gonna see the reflection on that when we kick off these scripts, so it'll be exciting. Then Bank of America, $6.61 dividend, and then Lockheed Martin, a total of $53.34, guys. This has actually just got bigger with the dividend raise, as well as all the purchases I have been buying. So next quarter, it'll be exciting to see how much Lockheed Martin will be paying us out. On the 24th, I did 1 buy, and this was actually just the reinvestment of Nvidia's dividend. And then Since I had already deposited to $200, I try to contribute $100 minimum to the portfolio, and I had already reinvested those. But since I do have a rule that I set myself to, is to always, every time a company pays me out a dividend, I will contribute $20 on top of that. So on the 24th, I went ahead and I had to add $80, so I deposited $80, and then I bought 4 buys. So this was all from the dividends that paid me out: United Health Group $20, Nvidia $20, Lockheed Martin $20, and Bank of America $20, because they all paid me out dividends. So this forced me to add an extra $80 to the portfolio this week, and so I'm going to continue doing this until we grow this snowball much larger. Our goal right now is to try to get this to $3,000 before the end of the year, and I think we will. I think we'll actually break 2,800 this portfolio update, so it's exciting. But let's go ahead and see how much we made for this week in passive income, guys. Imagine where we're making over $1,000 a week. That'll be really awesome. But let's go ahead and click this calculate dividends button. If you are new to the channel, I do have these scripts. This is a tutorial I made. You can add it to your account, but all it does is it goes out and adds all the dividends for this week or on this page, and then it just does a pop-up with the sum of them. So let's go ahead and find out how much we made this week. So we made a total of $70.45, guys, in passive income. We had to do absolutely nothing for this. That is pretty sweet. Hopefully one day we can get to over $100 on average. That'll be really exciting. But one of the other things here, guys, that I've been thinking about is, so total we have about 33 positions, and our portfolio is I really only have about 90, a little bit close to maybe 100K invested. Everything else is unrealized gains. So if we look at the unrealized gains, all of this, we just have been receiving so much gains that I haven't taken profit on. I was up actually higher in Nvidia, but I did take about $10,000 in profits, so I will be doing taxes on that. But if we look at the unrealized on what we're down, Lockheed Martin to me is something that I can continue to average down, and I believe in the long term of Lockheed Martin, and I will continue to buy that one, as well as ABBV. I will be buying more of that, and I think in a couple coming years we should see the benefits. So it's all patience. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheets. I'm gonna actually go over here to the dividend payout so that we can see those dividend increases pop up for McDonald's as well as Lockheed Martin. So we'll go over here to portfolio tools, get latest dividends, and it'll take a couple seconds hopefully, and everything will get wiped. Again, I do have tutorials for these. These are completely free. All I ask in return is that you subscribe with that bell notification, as well as you go and hit and smash that like button on the video so that you can support the channel. But yeah, these are all for free, guys. Check them out. All right, guys, so this is pretty sweet. So one of the ones here that you'll see that I actually forgot to mention was actually JP Morgan. So here's the dividend raise from JP Morgan. The script picked it up, as well as Microsoft, as well as Lockheed Martin, and as well as McDonald's, guys. So that is pretty awesome. If we look at for September, what is the last couple of dividends that will be wrapping up September, you'll see it's Pepsi, which will be paying out on the 30th of September, as well as UNP. They will be wrapping up the month of September, and then we're going to find out how much we made, and we're going to come in and populate the last quarter, and then we're going to start off Q4, which will be really exciting. But I think I'm really looking forward to it. As you guys see all these raises, this is what's making the snowball much larger and larger, as well as dollar cost averaging into the portfolio, no matter what the market is doing, because our portfolio snowball is getting larger. So we don't want to be trying to time the market. We just want to have time in the market, and that's what we're trying to aim here. The other thing here, guys, that I do want to show you is I'm actually going to go ahead and not include all the positions I bought from Lockheed Martin. I want to see how much our actual projection will increase. So if we look at the yield on cost and as well as dividend yield and the annual payout for us, well, I guess the projected payout for us on Lockheed Martin, we could see how much we increase it. So remember $237.95, as well as McDonald's over here. If we look at it, we will make about $13.31. So if I just click portfolio tools, update portfolio holdings, this should use the latest increases. And so you'll see we have Lockheed Martin here with $256.26, and McDonald's with a total of $14.24 just from the dividend raises. As well, the other one I probably want to check is JP Morgan, so maybe I should go ahead and sort this out by alphabetical order, and we can look at JP Morgan here. We will make a total of $512.64 annually, so that is pretty sweet, guys. That's a lot of dividends just in passive income. But anyways, let's go ahead and go over here to settings. And so I do have scripts for these, but we're gonna go ahead and delete this. Let's jump over to the personal capital so that we can grab the latest version of our portfolio holdings. And so I'll see you guys over there. All right, guys, so we are here on the portfolio of personal capital with our M1 account. You see this green button, click on that. This should copy all the content from our portfolio values into a clipboard, which then we can jump back over, right click, and we can paste values only. And now we can jump over here to holdings, and we can go ahead and see portfolio. Well, I guess one of the things we could do real quick is look at the difference. So you'll see we actually broke out so this is just from the dividend raises, guys. This doesn't include any of the positions I bought this week. This is just pure dividend raises, McDonald's, JP Morgan, and Lockheed Martin. So we broke out $2,851.20 compared to the $2,780.70. So that is pretty sweet, guys. We already broke out. Let's see if we can break out to the 2,900s. This is one of the reasons why I love dividend growth investing, as you guys can see it live. Let's go ahead and kick it off. This should use our latest positions in our portfolio. So this should include all the positions I bought this week. So it should be way higher, guys. So this is really exciting. Let's see if we can break 2,000. We were so close, guys. So close. So $2,887.48 compared to $2,780.70. For the month, we're getting very close. So my goal was about $250 a month. So $240.62 compared to $231.71. Remember, guys, this is passive income. We're going to continue to get this dividends no matter if the market's going up higher or lower or stagnates, right? So that's one cool thing about dividends here. So we are making about $55.53 a week on average. We're gonna try to get this to 100. That'll be pretty awesome. On the day, we're making close to almost $8, guys. And for the hour, we're making up 33 cents every single hour that goes by. And then for the hourly work wage, this is if our portfolio was to go to a work for a 40-hour work week, they would get paid an hourly rate of $1.39. Compared to the $1.34 from last week. So I guess they got a 5-cent raise, which I guess they were doing really great. And so that's pretty sweet. We're gonna try to get this one to minimum wage. But as you guys can see, why dividend growth investing is so awesome. And so this is actually all I have for you guys. If you guys stuck all the way to the very end, be sure to drop your hashtag growth, because we have been seeing this dividend growth continue to grow and grow no matter what the market is doing. And again, if you haven't subscribed, be sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification so you guys are notified when I upload new videos. I typically upload these type of portfolio updates on Sundays, so I'll definitely see you guys in the comments section. And take care, stay safe out there. Bye, guys.